Ever since the Windows 11's release, the Windows 10 now could not be considered as old to some users, but many of us still love and enjoy using the Windows 10 for so many reasons, like the great efficiency these Windows came and provided, and so many of us find it difficult leaving such a great version of Windows. But because of the apps recommended for the Windows 10, we are going to be talking about 5 from some of the best apps recommended for different tasks on the Windows 10. So if you're new here, my name is Emmanuel, aka the Crack It Guy, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, the first software on our list is going to be the software called LibreOffice, and this software is a software that we refer to as the best substitute for MS Word or the Microsoft software in general. Because if you look at this software, it has a replica for MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even CorelDRAW, plus the math formula, which I think is also cool. Now, obviously, the Microsoft software has so many features. That was what made it famous. But the problem is this software is not a free software. You can only get the free version online. But back to the LibreOffice that I'm talking about in today's video, this software has up to 75% features from the Microsoft software. So when you launch the software, it should look like this, and you will find every type of document that this software deals with. So the writer document, which in this case is a replica for MS Word, the user interface at this point feels very similar to that of MS Word, I will tell you. And just looking at it, you might not be able to tell the extra beneficial features behind this wonderful software. So once you start typing, you will notice that this software does a little bit of auto correction to little misspelled words, and also underlines a few ones which it doesn't understand. This software can remember words you've repeated more than 3 times, so that when you want to repeat them again, it pops it up right where the typer cursor is, so that you just have to press the enter key on your keyboard to complete the word, just like typing on your phone. And then lastly, this software is very easy to use, and it has all the fonts which MS Word will probably provide, so you can as well jump on this software whenever you feel like. So I'm going to be dropping the link to download this software down in the description box, so feel free to check it out after this video ends. So as for the Excel, PowerPoint, and CorelDRAW, you can think of it as similar to the original, but the free version. On to the second software, which is the OBS Studio app. This software will probably be my favorite on this list, and the great thing about all the software I'm going to be mentioning in this video is that all of it are going to be free. So whichever software I mentioned in this video, don't panic, they are all free. So unlike any random screen recording app, this one lets you live stream on other platforms like YouTube, Facebook, etc. Like, mention them. Sharing your laptop screen alongside a live recording from your webcam. Plus, the owners of this software added a great feature on this app that can allow you make use of your Android phone as your webcam overlay for any live screen recording you're going to be making. Instead of having to use the webcam on your PC or an external webcam, you can just go for your phone. I'll be dropping a video on how to get this feature down in the description box. It might not be my video, but do well to check it out if you want to know how to use the software, install it, download it. So all the links basically are going to be in the description box. So moving over to the third software on the list, which is going to be the PDF Escape. Now, the PDF Escape is a PDF reader, but this is definitely not your regular PDF reader, because this software allows you to create PDF documents and also edit PDF documents as well. So it even allows you to take typed Word documents and turn it into a PDF file. For example, you can take whatever Word documents that you have made outside from PDF Escape, that is your Microsoft Word file, Notepad, WordPad, or even the LibreOffice apps I just mentioned. Take that document, copy it, and paste it inside your PDF Escape, and automatically you have the privilege to turn that file into a PDF file. Like, how crazy. You're not also limited to just copying a text document and turning it into PDF, which is its primary function. You can also do some fun stuff as well with this software, but I'm going to be leaving them out so you can as well check them out. The link is going to be down in the description box. Now, moving on to the fourth, which is going to be the Adobe Photoshop Express app. This one is going to be the most popular on this list, and every Windows 10 or Windows 11 users out there would want to get this software on their PC right now, because softwares like this don't last long being free. So if you use the Windows 10 or the Windows 11, you can quickly rush to the Microsoft Store app in your PC and search for the Adobe Photoshop Express software and get it installed on your PC. So you're playing a sped up time lapse of me editing or making use of this software to edit a picture of, probably anything. So you can just get a hint of what this software could do. So I'm going to play this video in 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know if you saw, but here is the before and after of using this software to edit this particular photo, and it's pretty much amazing. So you can as well hop on this software and start using it. And speaking of Microsoft software, the fifth software I'm going to be recommending for today's video is going to be the Microsoft Store app, and this was probably introduced in the Windows 8 or Windows 10. I probably think it was the Windows 10, but it's now out. The Windows Microsoft Store app is just like the Google Play Store on your phone. So you basically go there to download a bunch of softwares for free, and also the paid versions of them on this software. You can find some software like Netflix, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, like all these apps you basically use all the time. But you know, you might probably be using the web browser and you didn't know that yes, this software can let you download the application versions for your laptop. So you can go to that software, get all your social media platforms right on your PC as an application, not, you know, on your web browser. So guys, let me know what you think about this video. So feel free to drop your comments down. If I missed out on any software that you might have liked, just feel free to drop it down in the comment section, because definitely a part 2 is going to be coming out if we get up to 30 likes on this video. And if you watch closely, there weren't any video editor mentioned in this video, and this was well planned because I have a whole video dedicated to best free video editing softwares in 2022 for your lower end PC. So feel free to check it out or click on it somewhere on the screen. It's going to be the video on the screen right now, and click on that video and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.